Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make KFC-style chicken at home. First, take fresh chicken. Add curd, salt, chili powder, and garam masala, and mix it well. Cover your chicken with foil paper and marinate for 30 minutes. After that, take a bowl and add corn flour, salt, chili powder, and garam masala. Mix it well. Now take your chicken, mix it the flour, and dip it in the chill water. And and mix it in the flour. Repeat this process to all the chicken. Get your oil ready. Deep fry the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes. And that's it. Your chicken is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. If yes, click on the subscribe button.